Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I have a Rubik's Cube, and upside down goggles. So I'm going to be solving this Rubik's Cube, which is with these upside down goggles. Yeah! Now I'm going to be viewing it but upside down. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, I already regret this. I already seriously regret this. It's so weird. It messes with your mind so much. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. So, it's kind of hard to look down. Because I feel like, I don't even know how to explain it. Yeah, this is going to be hard. No! So when I turn the cube up, or this is down, I think. Yeah, when I turn it down, I really feel like I'm turning it up. It's so annoying. Oh my goodness. Okay, here's my scramble. I don't even know if you can see it. This is so weird with my brain. I'm just going to start with getting the white cross first. Oh, I totally thought I did the bottom. This is going to be so hard. I hate this so much. Here are some rules. I am not allowed to close my eyes. And yeah, that's it. While doing an algorithm. I cannot yet solve a Rubik's Cube with my eyes closed. There we go! White cross, yay. Can you see? No, you cannot see it. White cross, yay. Now let's get the rest. Oh my goodness, this is so hard. Why is it so hard? It shouldn't be that hard. Okay, so the main problem I'm having here is I think right now I'm holding it with the yellow side up, but clearly you're seeing the white side, I think. But which way am I holding it? Oh, this is frustrating. I cannot do a simple move to get this into the spot. Why? I feel like I'm turning the left side. Or maybe I am. I don't know. I feel like I should be doing it right, but I'm doing it wrong. Oh yeah. Also, if this guy quits, then he has to smash an egg on his head. It's easier to hold it upside down, but harder at the same time.
Bruh.
So this should be the correct spot. Okay, this is frustrating me so much. I'm not gonna move any pieces, but I'm just gonna check it out. Okay, pretty close. Let's put these suckers back on. No, okay, bottom layer. Did I get the whole bottom layer? Yes, woo, bottom layer. Okay, next layer. I'm going to take off the goggles to reorient myself, make sure I'm holding it correctly. As soon as I put it back on, I feel like I'm holding it the wrong way. I should be holding it kind of correctly right now, but it just feels wrong. Okay, I'm breaking the rules. I'm closing my eyes. This is getting on my nerves. I hate this so much. I already messed up the bottom layer because I did an algorithm wrong. The no looking rule is back on.
Bruh.
I mean, no closing my eyes rule is, how could I? because I figured out the secret. The secret is go with my gut no matter what my hands are doing. Bring it back. No, I messed this up. I messed it up. I messed it up. I messed it up. No, 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 no. I messed it up. Wow. That feels, it hurts my brain. Holding it right. I hate this. I did it wrong. I did it wrong. No, no, no. I didn't do it wrong. I haven't finished the algorithm. Yeah, I did it wrong. Ooh! Yes, that's correct. And then one last algorithm. And then I'm finished. Like this. No, I'm going to orient it correctly. Oh my goodness, I almost did it wrong. And I almost did it so badly. I almost failed. I almost messed it up so hard. I'm never going to be able to solve Rubik's Cube right after I do this video. How do I do it? I forgot. I forgot how to do it. I quit. I quit. Oh, yeah. Oh, that hurts my head. I quit. I'm not doing that. Well, yep, one egg was smashed on my head. Now I have to have another one because we weren't recording. That one went down my neck. Oh, okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. It's so cold. It's so cold.